And the worst thing that could happen is if there's a conflict between Iran and the US and its allies, it'll be a disaster. For us, Pakistan, it'll be a disaster. It'll be a disaster for the developing world because the oil prices will shoot up. Already we're trying to barely manage our budgets, current account situation. Suddenly everything will be offset. It'll cause poverty in the world. And God knows how long it will go on. So we in Pakistan pray that this does not happen. We have tried our best. We've already talked to Saudi Arabia, Iran, the United States. I spoke to President Trump yesterday, and I told him that this would be a disaster for us. I do not understand why countries go to resolve their differences through military conflicts. Because whenever, and this is just in our lifetime we've seen this, the moment you start a military conflict, you don't know where it is going to go.